The Millionaire Lifestyle of Kendrick Lamar. Kendrick Lamar is an American rapper who swiftly gained fame in the music industry and now has a net worth of approximately $75 million. Although he does not like to show off much of his wealth, he is certainly living his dream life. Let's take a look into the millionaire lifestyle and how he likes to spend his money. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. Today we are back with another interesting video for you. So let's dive right into the video. Kendrick Lamar was born on June 17, 1987 in Compton, California. He struggled a lot through his childhood, and he does not come from a well-off family. Growing up, he had a passion for music and released his first debut mixtape called Youngest Head Nigga in Charge when he was only 16. It got him a contract with Top Dog Entertainment. This marked the beginning of his million-dollar career, and he worked with many influential rappers like Ya Boy, The Game, and J-Rock. He got the opportunity to work with many big names and won many prestigious awards. According to CNBC, throughout his career he sold over 17.8 million albums, received 29 Grammy nominations, and won 12 Grammys and the Pulitzer Award. He earned the name The New Kind of the West Coast, which was given to him by Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg. He later released albums like Good Kid, To Pimp a Butterfly, and Mad City, which became a huge success for him. In 2017, he released his two major hit singles, Humble and The Heart Part 4, along with an album named Album. All of these releases were very well received by his audience and rose even higher in the rap world. He also gained fame by producing Marvel's Black Panther soundtrack. He mentioned the motivation behind his success in one of his interviews, stating, "The minute I hear good news, it just motivates me to do more. I don't want to get complacent. If you asked 7 out of 10 people, what would you do if you got the Pulitzer Prize? They'd say I'd put my feet up, but that would make me feel I'd reached my pinnacle at 30 years old, and that wouldn't make me feel good." Lamar often refers to himself as the greatest rapper alive, and he is not only known for his rap skills, but also for his maintaining a modest and humble lifestyle despite being a millionaire. One of the first things a rapper or hip-hop artist does when he gets a big check is buy a fancy mansion or cars, but Kendrick Lamar says he is not like everyone out there. Unlike many other rappers who brag about their cars, jewelry, and riches, the 33-year-old rarely mentions the riches he has and which he can afford now. The young artist intends to spend his hard-earned wealth wisely so that all his fortune is not gone by the time he is in his 50s, although he would have to go on quite the spending spree to blow all his $75 million net worth. When he was asked about his riches in an interview, he said, "I look back to when I was 16 years old and thought, what would I do with $1 million? I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna buy that. Then I thought that me doing that is actually hurting people I'm responsible for. I'm the first in the family to have this kind of success, so I took it upon myself to wisely navigate this success because I wanted them to be successful too." Kendrick also owns a couple of real estate properties. In Calabasas, California, he owns a $2.65 million mansion where he lives. He also got a house worth $550,000 on the east side of Compton for his parents. The 4-bedroom residence does not have all the luxuries like his other neighboring artists have, but is a simple and fine place to live, complete with a small swimming pool. Apart from these two residential properties, he also owns a modern mansion in Manhattan Beach, California, which he bought for $9.7 million. Kendrick Lamar is also a big fan of supercars and has a little collection of them in his garage. He owns a Range Rover Sport with a white-black lavish interior, a 1992 Cadillac DeVille, Mercedes G-Class, and a BMW i8. In terms of his current net worth, Lamar has made much of his wealth through music, concerts, streaming royalties, and selling records. He has also pretty much refrained from endorsements and business investments, except his recent collaboration with Nike and Reebok. He helped Reebok design a red and blue collection, in which 2 Compton gang colors were used to inspire unity. In 2014, he told Complex in an interview, "I like to invest my money in different things, rather than buying things for the moment, something that can last me a lifetime." So that's all for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for staying with us till the end, and we will see you all next time.